Welcome to week 43 of Where Am I Investing? Over the past 42 weeks, I have invested in 5 mutual funds: Motilal Oswal Mid Cap Fund, Bandhan Small Cap Fund, HDFC Focus 30 Fund, Parag Flexi Cap Fund, and Invesco India Mid Cap Fund. Here is how they are performing. Motilal Oswal Mid Cap Fund is up 1% with a CAGR of 2%. Bandhan Small Cap Fund is up 4%, delivering an 8% CAGR. HDFC Focus 30 Fund has really outperformed, up 14% with an impressive 30% CAGR. Parikh Flexi Cap Fund is up 13%, boasting a 25% CAGR. And Invesco India Mid Cap Fund is up 2% with a solid 23% CAGR. Overall, my portfolio is up 4% with a CAGR of 7%. To put that in perspective, Sensex itself is down 0.1% over this period, with a negative CAGR of 0.1%. So my investments are beating the market, and that's exactly what we want. Now let's talk about week 43 investment. I have doubled down on Invesco India Mid Cap Fund, investing the same amount as I did in week 1. For example, if week 1's investment was 1000 rupees, I invested 1000 rupees this week as well. And why Invesco India Mid Cap Fund? That's because mid cap funds are a sweet spot for growth, not as risky as small caps, but with more upside potential than large caps. If you find this journey insightful, please hit that like button. Share this video with anyone curious about mutual funds. Comment below if you have invested in any of these funds or want me to review others. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss week 44. That's it for week 43 of Where Am I Investing? Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next one.